A day in the park. Last Saturday, I decided to go for a walk in the park. The weather was nice, and I wanted to get some fresh air after being indoors all week. I woke up early, had breakfast, and put on my favorite jeans and a t-shirt. I was ready to head out. As I walked through the park, I noticed that many people were already there. Some were running, others were walking their dogs, and a few were sitting on benches, reading books, or talking to friends. I decided to find a spot near the lake, where I could relax and enjoy the view. I took a deep breath and sat down on the grass. It was peaceful, and the sound of birds singing made me feel calm. I took out my phone and started checking my messages, but then I realized I had forgotten to bring my headphones. So, I decided to put down my phone and just enjoy the moment. While I was sitting there, I saw a man with his dog. The dog was running around, playing and having fun. The man called his dog and said, "Come here, Max." The dog ran up to him and jumped up. The man laughed and patted the dog on the head. It was such a happy scene. After a while, I decided to walk around the park. I like to explore different parts of the park, and I was curious to see what else was there. I came across a group of people playing soccer. They looked like they were having a great time. I stopped by for a few minutes to watch, but then I continued on my walk. As I was walking, I started thinking about my next weekend plans. I was planning to go on a small trip with my friends to the mountains. We would take a hike and explore nature. I was really looking forward to it. Eventually, I returned to the spot near the lake. The sun was setting, and the sky was turning orange and pink. It was beautiful. I took a few photos and then decided to head home. It had been a lovely day, and I felt happy and relaxed. On the way back, I ran into a friend of mine. We hadn't seen each other for a while, so we decided to catch up and talk for a few minutes. We talked about our plans for the future and our favorite hobbies. After some time, we said goodbye and promised to meet again soon. It was a perfect way to spend the day, and I felt refreshed. I was glad I had decided to go out to the park and enjoy nature. Key phrasal verbs and their meanings. Now repeat after me. Go for a walk. To leave your home and walk, usually for enjoyment or exercise. Get some fresh air. To step outside and breathe in clean, outdoor air. Put on. To wear clothes or accessories. Head out. To leave a place and start going to another location. Find a spot. To look for a good place to sit or stay. Sit down. To lower your body and rest on a chair, bench, or the ground. Take out. To remove something from a bag, pocket, or place. Realize. To become aware of something or understand it. Put down. To place something on a surface. Run up to. To move quickly toward something or someone. Pat. To lightly touch or tap something gently, often in a friendly way. Walk around. To move around in an area, not just in one spot. Come across. To meet or find something unexpectedly. Stop by. To visit a place for a short time. Continue on. To keep going after stopping. Go on. To start or continue a journey or activity. Take a hike. To walk for a long distance, usually in nature or in the mountains. Explore. To travel through or examine a place to learn about it. Head home. To go back to your house or where you live. Run into. To meet someone unexpectedly or by chance. Catch up. To talk to someone after a long time without talking, to share news. Go out. To leave your home for a social activity or entertainment. Want to learn English but don't know where to start? Join our English learning community. We explain difficult topics in simple terms. Practice speaking English without fear of mistakes. Support, motivation, and communication with like-minded people. Start speaking English today. Subscribe and learn with us.